Dear students, these are another example. Okay, find the log of 1 by 343. You have to find the log of 1 by 343 to the base 7. Okay, now let the log of 1 by 343 to the base 7 be x. We have assumed that log of this we have to find to this base. Okay, understood or not? Log of this you have to find to this base. So log of this to this base is not given, so we have assumed, we have to find that, so we have assumed x. So I have written let the log of this to the base 7 be x. Okay, so log of 1 by 343 to the base 7 is x. So this is the logarithmic form. Now converted to index form, very simple. Okay, so base is 7, power is x, log is the power, log is power 1 by 343. So base 7 to the power x, it is in index form, so this should be also converted to index form. 1 to the power 3 is 1 only, or 7 to the power 3 is 343. So 1 by 7 to the power 3 is 1 by 343. Okay, means if you multiply 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 1 by 7 3 times, then you will get 1 by 343. Got my point? That is why 1 by 7 to the power 3 is written here. Okay, but till now base is not same, so you have to make the base same. Okay, so this form 1 by 7 3 can be written 7 to the power minus 3. I have already taught you this indices. Okay, fraction, okay, to any power. Okay, fraction of, if there is the power in the fraction, then if you write the reciprocal form of the fraction, then power will be reverse. Means if there is positive power, it will be negative power. If there is negative power, it will be positive power. If you write the reciprocal of this. Okay, 1 by 7, it is 7 by 1, 1 no need to write. Okay, so in that way now base 7 7. Okay, that is why x equal to minus 3. So what was the question? Log of 1 by 343 to the base 7 is minus 3. We have already obtained minus 3. Okay, so my dear student, here we will learn solve the value of x. Okay, now here we have to solve the value of x, means you have to find the value of x here. Okay, it is given log of x to the base 3 is 2. It is already given question that log of x to the base 3, the base is 3. Got my point? Base is 3. So you can write x this side also, no problem. Okay, in the second time I have written first, so you can write here in this way. So log of x to the base 3 is 2. This is the power, so this is the power, base is 3, value is x. Okay, log of x means value of x, exponent of x to this base is 2, exponent of x, okay, to this base is 2. So you can write in this form. After that, x equal to 3 square is 9. The value of x is 9. Okay, similarly you see here another example, very simple. Log of x to the base 8 is 2 by 3. So this is the logarithmic form, so you have to convert this into index form. Okay, while converting into index form, base is 8, power is 2 by 3, and value is x. Okay, so now here x equal to 8 can be written 2 to the power 3, 8 can be written 2 to the power 3, multiply, power is already given 2 by 3, so power cancel, so x equal to 2 to the power 2, that is 4. We have learned in indices. Okay, now it is bit not so difficult. Log of x square minus 1, log of x square minus 1 to the base 2 is 3. Okay, so this you can write this also, this value is equal to, it means the log of this number, it means the exponent of this number to the base 2 is 3. So this value equal to, okay, base to the power 3, base to the power 3. This log is the exponent, so base to the power 3. You can write this also first, no problem. Okay, so in this way you can write this logarithmic form into index form. Okay, after that x square minus 1 equal to 2 to the power 3 is 8, x square equal to 8 is also transpose this side, 8 plus 1 is 9. So x equal to under root 9. So it is plus minus 3. Okay, value of x is 3. So I have already told you log cannot be negative. Log cannot be negative. So that is why I have already told you we cannot find the log of negative numbers. So value cannot be negative. So you can write, for the timing you can write this is the answer. Okay. Now one question is here. I have solved here. Try to understand. Given log x, log of x to the base 10 is 2a. Log of y to the base 10 is b by 2. Okay, b by 2. So write a to the power a in the term of x. Okay, this a to the power a we have to write in the term of x, and 10 to the power 2b plus 1 you have to write in the term of y. Okay, so and if log 10, log of p to the power to the base 10 is equal to 2a minus b, then express p in the terms of x and y. I have solved here. You try to understand here. Very simple. Okay, very simple. Log of x to the base 10 is 2a. So x equal to, we can write 10 to the power 2a. So x equal to, we can write 10 to the power 2a because we have to find the log. So value of this will be 10 to the power 2a, because this is the log. Log means the power. This is the base. So base. So x equal to 10 to the power 2a. Okay. So 10 to the power 2a equal to x. You could have written directly in this form also, no problem. Here I have written log of y to the power base, log of y to the base 10 is b by 2. It means 10 is the base, no, base, index, this log is the index, b by 2 equal to y. So now here you have to express this in the form of x. Okay, this you have to express in the form of x. So 10a can be written 10 2a by 1 by 2, because if you multiply 2 to cancel, it will be 10a only. So why I am converting this in this way? Because I have to convert this to x, because this value is given here, no? Value of 10 to the power 2a is given. So I am converting this into 10 to the power 2a. So if I multiply this again, I will get 10 to the power a only. I can write this into this form. Okay. After that, x to the power 2a is given x. So in place of this, you have to write x. So half means 1 by 2 means square root. Okay. So square root x. So 10a is written in the terms of x. Okay. So in the same way, 10 to the power 2b plus 1, we have to write this into the term of y. Okay, in the form of y. So how to write? First, it is addition. In indices we have learned, in addition, in the case of multiplication, the powers are added. Powers are added means it is the case of multiplication. So you can divide this in this way, separated. 10 to the power 2b multiply 10 to the power 1. So 10 to the power 2b. Here 10 to the power b by 2. Value of 10 to the power b by 2 is y. So I have to convert 10 to the power 2b. I need to convert 10 to the power b by 2 power 4. Because if I cancel it again, 2 to cancel, it will be 2b. 10 to the power 2b only. Okay. So this can be written in this form. Okay. This can be written in this form. And value of this is given here. How much? Y. Value of this is given y. So in place of this, I have written y4. Y, this value is y, power is 4. So 10. So 10 y4. So this is converted in the term of y. Okay. Similarly, I have done here log of p to the power to the base 10 is 2a minus b. This is the log of p to this base. Okay. So p equal to value of p base to the power this log, base to the power log. Okay. So in the case of division, the powers are subtracted. So power is given with difference. it means it is the case of division. So 10 to a by 10b. So 10 to a value is given 10 to the power 2a. 10 to the power 2a is value x. So in place of x to the power 10 to the power 2a is given x. But here given x or 10 to the power b by 2. 10 to the power b by 2 is given y. So only b to the power 10 to the power b is given. So this is converted 10 to the power b by 2. Power 2 to cancel, it is 10 to the power b only. Okay, this can be written in this form. Try to understand here. Okay, if you remove this like 10 b by 2 multiply b 2 to cancel, it will remain 10 to the power b only. So this can be written in this form. Why I am writing in this form? Because I have to get the value of y. No, so just to put this value, I have to get 10 to the power b by 2 here. So I have converted this 10 to the power b by 2 power 2. Value of 10 to the power b by 2 is y, power is 2. So x by y square. This is the answer. Okay. So my dear student, in next video I will teach you laws of logarithm. Very important part of the logarithm chapter. Okay. First you complete these two topics. You learn it. You just note down all the points. Note down all the examples which I have solved in the video. Everything you have to note down. After that, okay, I will give the work to practice. Okay, that work you have to do. Okay, when you finish this chapter, after that I will give you one chapter to finish. After completing that, I will teach you laws of logarithm. Okay, very important part of logarithm. Thank you.